Hey everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a booklet in Google Docs step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. First, open your Google Docs document. Now, go to the File option in the top menu. Step 2. From the drop-down, click on Page Setup. This is where we'll adjust the margins to prepare for the booklet layout. Step 3. In the Page Setup window, set all the margins, top, bottom, left, and right, to 0.5 inches. This will give you narrow margins that work perfectly for booklets. Step 4. Once you've entered the margins, click on OK to save the changes. Step 5. Next, head over to the Format option in the top menu. Step 6. From the drop-down, select Columns, then click on More Options. Step 7. In the Columns options, set the number of columns to 2. This splits the page into 2 equal parts, which is ideal for a booklet format. Step 8. Just below that, check the box for Line Between Columns. This adds a visible line to separate the 2 columns. Step 9. Now click on Apply to save your column settings. Step 10. To organize your content properly, go to the Insert option in the top menu. Step 11. From the drop-down, click on Break, then select Column Break. Step 12. Once the column break is applied, you'll see a line separating the 2 columns. You can now start typing your content on both sides of the page. And that's it. You've successfully created a booklet layout in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.